Some years ago, I was asked to give the keynote address at a hygiene school that was celebrating 50 years of teaching dental hygiene. I had just published my book, Kiss Your Dentist Goodbye, and they had requested that I would explain this complete mouth care system of mine in small segments throughout the day. Well, it was a pretty grueling day, but as I was leaving in the parking lot, the dean of the hygiene school came out to thank me for surviving the day. And as I was getting into my car, she turned to me. She was a lady about my age. She turned to me and said, "Ellie, I am so glad I was here today. My teeth are falling apart." Now, if the dean of the hygiene school has teeth that are falling apart, and of course, she's not alone. I know dentists, periodontists, academic dentists, researchers, everybody has dental problems. I know these people are having root canals, they have periodontal disease, they have a need for crowns and implants. This is a disease that affects almost everybody. Yes, everybody. 5% of the population don't need dental treatments. That's it. Everybody else is struggling. And through these TikTok videos, I am getting emails from people who are desperate. They want to stop these cavities. They want to stop this gum disease. They can't afford or they don't want to go through all the periodontal treatments that's being suggested. And I have the knowledge to help them. Their children have cavities. I want to help you. I just don't have enough hours in the day to interact with every single person individually. So this complete mouth care system of mine, it's a very special methodology. And what I'm going to suggest is that I make videos about each stage, just like I did at the hygiene school. And we go through how to use each of these products. You see, it's essential that you not only use these strategies in a specific way, because when you do, you can arrest cavities, you can arrest gum disease. And if you combine these products with improving perhaps some of your daily habits, just slightly. It's not horrible. You don't have to give up everything, but you do have to adjust things just slightly in your life. And then you have to be sensible about your diet and nutrition to support your immune system and to make sure that your saliva is full of minerals so it can do its work in your mouth. You see, this is a holistic approach. This isn't some miracle toothpaste. This is addressing the science, the underlying science of this problem, this imbalance in your mouth.